Today is day 3 of our road trip to Maine. Day 1 we traveled about 400 miles, which was 7 hours, from western New York to Cape Cod, Massachusetts. We spent the night at a rest stop, and then we went to Grammy's house in the morning to spend the day with her for her birthday. That night we packed up the RV and went as far as we could, until we got tired and slept in a Walmart parking lot. Today we only have a 4-hour drive to our KO8 at Acadia National Park, but we're going to make a special stop in Bangor and then to Korea for a lobster tour. Today is definitely a jam-packed day with a lot of ups and downs.
Hi, I'm Serena. This is Jason. We both have full-time jobs, neither of us travel for work, and we always dream of seeing the world. I think we're a typical American family, but we have a passion for traveling. I hope our channel shows you that traveling with kids and juggling life is possible and so worth it.
Good morning. We've arrived in Maine and we spent the night at a Walmart around 11:30 at night. Oh gosh, we're going to get hit by a car. Careful, Lily. And so we're just going to go in for a few provisions that we might have forgotten.
And bars.
And bars. Lily can't live without bars. She cries in the morning without them.
Because there's always food.
It's recording.
So we just met someone named Esther, and she got us these. And she was like really nice.
Well, that was cool. When we were at the checkout line, a lady came up to us. Apparently, Jason was chatting with her earlier, and she came up to us in the checkout line and gave the girls these colored pencils. Isn't that nice of her? Well, the bar is set very high for Maine. I imagine we're going to meet a lot of great people. So the camper is a disaster. After about 2 days, 2 nights on the road, I'm going to clean up. Kids are going to go to the pet store right over there.
We might be seeing pets in the pet store, but probably not, because look. Looks like a pretty boring building. No.
Hi there. You guys don't actually have that answer.
So, bummer.
Before we left the Walmart, I got these kids hooked up. They have iPads, earphones, earbuds, food, coloring stuff. They're good now. Right, Clara?
Come silhouette. Come silhouette. Come silhouette. Come silhouette.
It's on repeat.
Howdy.
There's some people who live here. This one. Look, I can't even feel my fingers. More. 2 more black olives in there.
We just stopped at a playground for some lunch and some playing, stretch our legs, but we are right around the corner from a very famous person's house. So we're gonna walk there pretty quickly because we gotta make it to our next stop in like an hour. Wow. This is like the coolest climbing tree. I like cool trees.
Where's the house?
This is it. No, we can't go in it.
Why?
That was Stephen King's house. I'm so bad at talking to the camera. Like,
Look at this road. Where are we? What are we doing here?
look at that vent coming up.
Just freaking
Oh.
bonkers. Wow, 3 miles. Is it bump?
Yeah.
That was more like cliff.
Oh, see, that looked like a bump. You want to tell him?
No,
No?
nothing
You
to
don't want
say.
to tell him? Oh, there was something to say, all right.
Serena sent me the wrong.
Don't you dare. I told him 39 Francis Pound Road.
All right, so I'm confused.
What do you select in the GPS?
So,
What?
I don't know. You can go to most recent. We're
Yeah,
it said Francis Point
So
Road.
how is there a Francis Point and a Francis Pond?
Oh God, please don't
road
kill these
within
bikers.
3 miles of each other?
I don't know. But I sent you Francis Pound Road and you typed it in wrong. So this whole street that we're not supposed to go down, we're not supposed to go
That's how
down.
we have it.
Oh yeah, this was the good road.
Much better. Well, you know what? Maybe if you've been watching me, some navigator
In 1 mile.
should be checking and rechecking.
Okay. Here we go. No, we're not gonna tip over.
How do you know that?
Because we're on a boat. Yeah, that's in the ocean.
Shark.
Yup. We got a 15-minute boat ride to the lighthouse where all the lobster crabs are set.
And get one and eat.
Yeah, we're gonna get one and eat it.
I love lobster.
Yeah. They said that biologists come here to study the animals. So you can be a biologist and study animals and be out traveling and be with animals. Wouldn't that be cool?
Keep on dreaming for me.
We're about 2 weeks late in the season to see puffins, but we did get to see some seals. What?
Well, we have the picture that's open.
Yeah.
And we have to look while we can pick.
Something I like to show everyone. So toggle has a weak link or breakaway on it. See how this is compressed down? See how thin that is? That's so if a whale, a porpoise, a turtle, even the seals we saw, get this in their mouth or on a flipper, that will break right off. See the difference in them? Pull it back. If it touches the body, it's good. So hold right onto the red part on the bottom. You're going to squeeze it together. You're going to slide it just a little bit. Pull back. Good job. Here these guys grow a new shell underneath their old shell. This is a hard one. This is a hard one. Has not shed yet. So what this one has going on right now is it has rushed it up with this one. Pull it apart with this one. They're pinned to a ripper claw, and they'll have. Probably none of your friends are doing this summer. Big squeeze. Yep. Twist there a little bit. There you go. You can hold it.
Lily. Yep, over Clara's head. Awesome. Good job. Mommy.
He's like flying.
He's not happy.
Recording. I can see us. There you go. Hey, there you go. Come on, just a little bit. There you go. Yep, like that. Sir, know what the biggest one I ever caught was? Ever recorded? 44 pounds. It wasn't caught in a trap. It was caught in Canada in the 70s. They were a big fish dragger towing a net. Got it? Bigger?
No, I want to. I want to hold it again. Put it near me.
You want to hold it there?
I do.
You lost the picture.
I like to hold it.
Yeah, I'll probably eat that for dinner.
Which way's the
So
front?
the next level above me,
I
pick those up. So 1 clause, no clause, pound, clause.
I'm
You know,
so
those two whatever their
shiny.
market is for. The next level above me will do that.
I want it. Put the wrong side around, Mama.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat it. Oh, we're not.
So a lobster.
There you go.
There you go. Bye.
You guys gotta go to
Do you want to pick her up?
That's because I do my own thing, so some of these guys are getting like 330, 325. I mean, there's just no
Yeah.
There you go. Do a little turn and pull back. Good job.
I did by myself, Mama.
Done. Good job.
Our ticket included 1 free lobster, but they offered to sell us as many lobsters as we wanted for cost, which was $5 each. So we bought 9 lobsters. Well, I'd say lobstering was a huge success. Jason and I had probably the best time. Well, I don't think so. I think Claire had the best time. Lily really enjoyed it too. I'm so proud of her for being so brave and touching the lobsters and doing everything. Now we're on our way to the Bar Harbor KOA, and we're gonna set up shop and then cook up our lobsters.
Going out.
Well, if we pull it out, are we not going to be able to get it back in?
This is like all snapped free.
Oh my god.
Must have pulled it off the wall when it was pivoting. Well, just every screw pulled out of the wall. So when it was coming out, that got stuck and somehow, like, do you have a light?
It up. So it looks like the top is misaligned the most. Can you line it up and push it back out there?
I have a hammer in my bag, you know, it's so bad.
Well, you gotta put that back in and screw it down, right?
Can't screw it down, it's ripped out of every hole. Super.
We bought our RV used, and at the time we thought it would be a good idea to get the roadside assistance service called CoachNet. They are awful, and we don't recommend them. We've had to call twice now, and each time we were on hold for up to an hour just to speak with someone. Then we had to wait for a technician to call us. Then it's at least $150 just for the technician to get to us, and fixing it in the field would cost a lot more. I guess we paid all that money just to be able to call them. Sounds like CoachNet is really a scam. I don't really see the value of it, but maybe we were missing something. So I'd like to hear if anyone else has had experience with them. Let me know in the comments.
What happened was we had a broom here, and it got stuck in there, which means that that side couldn't open. That side kept opening.
Daddy needs confidence that he can fix things. I think we can fix this.
Daddy,
Oh,
you're definitely gonna fix it.
think so?
Yes,
Hold this
because I have confidence in you.
right there.
Yeah, I think that's just enough.
I don't know.
That's a lot of butter. So tonight for dinner, we're going to be cooking the lobsters that we got. And while Daddy fixes the camper, Mommy is going to be doing that. Definitely yummy.
So, where'd you get the power tools?
I borrowed them from the KOA.
Well, that's awfully nice of
And I'll
them.
never say anything bad about anybody from Maine ever.
Seriously, people are from Maine.
He's my bud. That's Dane.
What are you doing?
I'm screwing this thing back in.
Daddy.
How do you know it'll hold?
I don't. Just figure it out as I go.
Did somebody let you borrow that?
Yep. So Lily always asks me why I talk to people and I'm friendly to everybody. Because you never know when you might need help. This whole world is about people helping people.
When you might
That's
need.
what it is. In more? Stop.
Is it fixed?
Don't get your hopes up until we bring it out and in.
It's fixed.
Time check. 7:43. Okay.
seafood.
Hold on. It's out.
So,
Oh, you fixed it!
Now we don't got it.
Ask Dave if he wants lobster.
there you go, lobster.
Mama. No, he's dead.
Wow. Those are some cooked lobsters there.
Mama.
Yes. There's a lot in there.
I think you're.
Clara Jewel! Don't touch!
Sorry. Oh dear.
It's okay. It didn't melt. It's fine. Let's put this more back here and let's just leave them alone, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. We are on a roll today. Okay, after we eat, we're going to put a movie on. We're not leaving this camper. We're not going to touch anything, okay?
Mommy's very frustrated.
Yeah. Don't.
So, the lobsters just came out and they look so good and they smell really good too.
All right, so we got to teach you guys how to do this. We got more butter. All right, because there's some things that you don't want to eat, okay?
You can use my.
Oh, Daddy did it.
Ow.
Oh, there's the green stuff.
Yeah.
Watch out, bub. Wait, my lobster?
Yeah, so I have the bowls for the green stuff. Actually, you can eat the green stuff. Some people, it's their favorite part.
Oh, the green.
Oh no, I only have a minute left on the card.
Mama, please cut this out and take a picture of me. What do you think of that, Daddy?